at home one day and your HVAC unit start working. You hear like a humming noise coming from in here. What you can do is get your new capacitor. Mine had went bad. I was bulging up like that. You know, good. All you gotta do is look on here, look at these numbers. So like this is a 55, I think they said like microfarads. And make sure you got, you know, the same number, 440 VAC. Basically whatever it say on here. Go to your appliance store and get you another one that match up to it. Just disconnect the power. Just simply just unplugging these wires off. Put them in the same position as the other one. Just take a picture before you take the old one off. And then just put these back in the same spot. Turn your power on and you should be back working.